I'm on the verge of caving in, I run back to the top. Now I'm Mr. Charisma, fucking Pablo Escobar.
My friends are saying, shut up, Jenny, just get in the car.
I just wanna be right where you are.
In the end, I hope it's you and me. In the darkness, I would never leave me. Saw this moment coming from afar. Now here we are. Run from the sunlight, Dracula. Run from the sunlight, Dracula. Run from the sunlight, Dracula. Isn't the view spectacular? Hey Kevin, what's up? Come pull up in my spot. Let's keep the night glowing, I don't ever wanna stop.